Have you discussed? Have you thought? Anyone can present? Show me. Yes, what you have thought? सर माझं सगळं रेडी. सगळं साईन लागतील का? हां, नाही, नाही. एकच मिनिट देते असं. तुम्ही चेक करून घ्या बरोबर. मेल थ्रू जिथून कळालं ना ते टाकले. आणि हे NPTLचे FDPचे 2 आहे. नाही म्हणजे FDP आहे ना म्हणून टाकलं. सर्टिफिकेशन वेगळं आहे. हे FDPचे दोघं. त्याचा रिपोर्ट नाही केला का मग? त्याचं कशाला म्हणजे NPTL म्हणून मी नुसतं येस अकाउंट नंबर क्या होगा? होप यू आर लिसनिंग. हाँ, account number is a primary key. Why we have decided that is primary key? Yes, in account table makes a sense that each account will be assigned with an account number and that will be always unique. So we take consider that account number is primary key in the account table. Then branch name, as you see in 6 tables, branch is another table. So we can have branch name will be primary key in branch table, but as it is reflected, the account will be assigned to specific branch. So branch name will be repeated, but the branch name will be repeated which entries are present in the branch table. So in branch table, branch name will be always a primary key. Clear? In branch, branch name is a primary key, and in account, branch name is a foreign key. Balance will not have any relation with another entity, so we can skip this from this account table. Then branch, you have branch name as a primary key. City will never be a primary key. In one city you can find multiple branches too. Assets will not be also considered here. ठीक है. Then customer details information are there in the customer table. So in customer table, customer name will be assigned as a primary key. Customer street will be will not have any type of condition. Customer city will not be having any condition. Then if we talk about depositor, so who is going to deposit? So customer. So one customer can be have multiple times they can deposit amount. So what we'll do is, here in custom depositor table, customer name and account number both will be acting as a foreign key, because these both entry will be coming will be coming from account and customer table only. If the customer is present in the customer table and it is assigned with an account number, then only the person is going to deposit. That we consider the scenario, and we'll write in depositor customer name or comma account number. Then we'll find loan. अब loan में क्या है? Loan number, branch name and amount. So loan can be taken from a specific branch. So in loan table, loan number will not be acting as a primary key, because why loan in loan table loan number will not be acting as a primary key? Anyone? लोन नंबर प्राइमरी की होगा या नहीं होगा? विल टेल मी. अश्विनी.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, can you tell me, in loan number we have to make loan number, loan table we have to make loan number as primary key or not?
मैम मैंने तो लोन नंबर प्राइमरी की कंसिडर की है.
क्यों? क्या सोच के कंसिडर किया बेटा?
हर एक नंबर डिफरेंट ही होगा ना, लोन नंबर यूनिक ही होगा.
It can be same for what Rahul Singh is writing. One second. It can be same for the same city having same loan number. A person can borrow multiple loans. That is correct, Rutvik. But in loan table, we'll consider loan number, branch name, and amount in from this three column will not make any primary key relationship. Why? एक बंदा एक से ज्यादा multiple times one person can take loan, so we could not make that in real sense that loan number will be acting as primary key. ठीक है, तो we will not consider any primary key. We'll make branch name as a foreign key, but we could not make a loan number as a primary key. Clear? Branch name will be acting as a foreign key and amount will not be considered. And if you talk about borrower table, so customer can have multiple loan number. So here you can have a borrower table, both customer name will be only acting as a primary key, but loan number will not be acting as any key. If we make a real sense thing, one can do loan number as primary key, but that will be you will be putting a restriction on a customer that they will take only one loan at a time. In that scenario, we can make loan number as primary key, but here the scenario is different, so we could not make here loan number as primary key. Got this? How to decide a primary key foreign key relation? Now I'll discuss first question. Now our first question says, my first question is, find the names of all branches. Find the names of all branches in loan relationship. Loan relation. Now relation is nothing but it is a table. Now you have to loan table में कितने all names of branches you have to find. Names of all branches. क्या आएगा? What will be the query? Can anyone tell me? Find the names of all branches in loan. Select distinct branch name from loan. It's correct, Chinmay. The query is correct. You have to use select and distinct branch name from loan. So you repeated branch name पता करके क्या करेंगे? So the output should be कितने different branches से loan ले रहे. So you'll be getting the answer. Now second question comes is find all loan numbers from loans made at Akudi branch with loan amount greater than 12,000. Who will tell me this query? Abhijit, are you there? Abhijit Wagmare? I hope you people are listening. Okay, Abhijit, can you write the query for this? Find all loan numbers from loans made at Akudi branch with loan amount greater than 12,000. So you have multiple condition. One condition is branch name should be Akudi and the amount of loan should be 12,000. Now, if you see branch name, loan amount and loan numbers, so these all three columns are present with loan table itself. So we don't require one more table. So you can write a simple query like select. Say Abhijit Wagmare, select what will happen? Yes,
Select all
select all.
on select star.
Select star
In
from
where clause it will be
which table? Loan
from
table. I'll take it as the
loan table.
capital.
Hmm.
From
Loan table
where?
where
Where
branch
clauses?
branch
Branch
name
name.
is equals
Branch
to
name का underscore है ना? Branch name equal to Akurdi
underscore. Hmm.
and
And amount is greater than 12,000.
amount is greater than 12,000. This will be the query for second. ठीक है? I'm posting answers too in the chat box. You just find this answer. Try to check your answer with your output. If you are not getting, uh, ask me questions or you can reframe the query. Because sometimes what happens and you have not taken correct form structure of the table, then you will be not getting correct answer. So third question comes is find all customer who have loan from bank, find their name, loan number and loan amount. Find all customers. Now they are asking the name of customer. So how we are going to make this query? One table will do your answer or you require multiple tables. See आपको customer names कहाँ से मिलेंगे? Borrower से. ठीक है? और लोन नंबर, लोन अमाउंट वो कहाँ से मिल जाएगा? वो आपको लोन टेबल से मिल जाएगा. सो फॉर दिस आंसर यू रिक्वायर टू टेबल्स टू बी कनेक्टेड. नाउ हाउ यू आर मेकिंग कनेक्शन बिटवीन टू टेबल्स? यू हैव लोन नंबर. So according to loan number, you can write the query. So what will be answer? Amruta, can you tell? Amruta, Amruta, are you there? Yes. Amruta, can you tell? Write the query for this in chat box. Select. What will be the query? Select. Sahil, can you tell? Sudam, Rishikesh, can you tell this query? Select, what will be happening? Select. Now if you see this table in chat box, what you will find is select names. Name कहाँ से है? तो you have customer name, then loan number. I am not having table with me, so I'm just writing cust name, then loan number and loan amount, comma, loan amount. From loan, comma, borrower, wherein loan number. ये क्वेरी सही है? What I have written in chat box, please check. ये आंसर दे देगी? चिन्मय का आंसर हाँ सेम है. Will this query give you a result? Yes. Anyone? Laksha, it will not give you answer because what I have done is select customer name. Okay, then I have put comma loan number. Now here it will give you ambiguity because which loan number you are talking. So here you have to go. Yes, Rutvik, you are correct. You have to have loan dot loan amount. Clear? Just hold on. Hello, you got this? Okay, our next question will be list all customers in alphabetical order who have loan from Akurdi branch. Well, tell me the answer of this query. List all customers in alphabetical order who have loan from Akurdi branch. Yes, what will be the answer for this question? Hello? You have to list all customer in alphabetical order who have loan from Akurdi branch. Branch name is there. You have to define customer name. So which table will be included? Rishabh, can you write the query? Select customer name from borrower order by. No, they are asking from Akurdi branch, no? So your query will have where clause. And ASEC nahi hai, it's ASC. For ascending ASC and for descending DESC. Who will tell me the final query? Select borrower dot customer name from loan comma borrower. ऋत्विक, अगर वो आपने प्राइमरी की कंसिडर की है, then only you can make that लोन का वो मतलब borrower का लोन नंबर मैचेस विथ लोन का लोन नंबर. ठीक है. अच्छा, उन्होंने पूछा लिस्ट ऑल द कस्टमर्स इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर हु हैव लोन फ्रॉम अकुर्डी ब्रांच. ठीक है, दोनों का कनेक्शन चाहिए. ऋत्विक का क्वेरी सही है. और ऋत्विक, ब्रांच नेम कॉलम अगर डिफरेंट है दोनों टेबल में, if it is not in both the table, so you can directly write branch name equal to Akurdi. It's correct. ठीक है. You got ऋत्विक your doubt? यहाँ पे ब्रांच नेम एक ही टेबल में है, so you don't have to use. हाँ, okay. Mansi, correct this query because as we have taken two tables and one value is present in one table and another value is present in another table. So you have to make a connection. So you have to use borrower dot loan number equal to loan dot no loan number. Our next question says, find all customers who have an account or loan or both at the bank. See, find all the customers who have account or loan or both at the bank. How you are going to write the query for this? मतलब आपको ऐसे कस्टमर ढूंढना है कि जिनके लोन भी लिया है, जिनका अकाउंट नंबर भी है. मतलब जो डिपॉजिट भी करते हैं और जो बोरो भी करते हैं. Now this query will have to complete. You will not have a simple one line query, one table query. It will be multiple tables. Now account का information कहाँ से मिल रहा है आपको? अकाउंट टेबल से आपको अकाउंट नंबर मिलेगा. ठीक है. फिर डिपॉजिटर टेबल से आपको क्या मिलेगा? अकाउंट नंबर के बेस्ड पे आपको कस्टमर का नाम मिल जाएगा जिनका क्या बोलते हैं उसको, दोज हु हैव डिपॉजिटेड. एंड लोन नंबर मतलब कस्टम बोरोवर से आपको कस्टमर और लोन नंबर से. हाँ, बोरोवर टेबल भी आएगा. बोरोवर के टेबल की कंडीशन क्या रहेगी? एक्चुअली ये फाइंड ऑल कस्टमर्स हु हैव एन अकाउंट और लोन और बोथ एट बैंक. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? फाइंड ऑल कस्टमर्स हु हैव एन अकाउंट. सबसे पहले हम लोग ये फाइंड करते हैं कि जिनका अकाउंट है. हाउ विल गेट दिस आंसर? अकाउंट नंबर लेंगे और कस्टमर, दो टेबल एंड डिपॉजिटर. सॉरी, अकाउंट नंबर एंड डिपॉजिटर, दो टेबल का कनेक्शन कर लेंगे. ठीक है. हाउ विल गोइंग टू राइट दिस क्वेरी? सिलेक्ट कस्टमर नेम फ्रॉम अकाउंट कॉमा डिपॉजिटर वेयर अकाउंट का अकाउंट नंबर मैचेस विद डिपॉजिटर का अकाउंट नंबर. क्लियर फर्स्ट पार्ट. फिर सेकेंड पार्ट क्या आएगा? सी, ऐसा कौन सा ऑपरेशन है जो आपको कॉमन चीजें भी देता है और अनकॉमन भी देता है? और कौन सा ऑपरेशन है? इस केस में ना हमें क्वेरी को दो इसमें डिवाइड करना है. दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. एक जगह कस्टमर नेम रिट्राइव करेंगे और अनदर जगह पे हम, हाँ करेक्ट है राहुल, विल गो फॉर यूनियन. अब यूनियन का क्वेरी कैसे लिखते हैं? So we have to write select some column name from some table, union select another column from some table. लेकिन जो column हम select कर रहे हैं that should be match. और यहाँ पे वो matching column क्या है? Customer name. So मैंने पहली query तो frame की. अब union किसके साथ करोगे? Yes. What we have to get is और लोन. लोन कहाँ से पता चलेगा कि उस बंदे का नाम क्या है? सो विल राइट सिलेक्ट कस्टमर नेम फ्रॉम लोन कॉमा बोरोवर वेयर लोन नंबर मैचेस विद लोन का लोन नंबर मैचेस विद बोरोवर का लोन नंबर, और इन दोनों का क्या होगा? यूनियन. सी गॉट माई आंसर. तो आपका क्वेरी क्या आएगा? सिलेक्ट कस्टमर नेम फ्रॉम अकाउंट कॉमा डिपॉजिटर यूनियन select so this will be how union will work. I have forgot where clause. You have to write where account dot account number equal to loan dot yeah, this will be final query. You have to make it account number should match with depositor का account number, and यहाँ पे आपको where clause में आएगा loan का loan number matches with borrower का loan number. Then you will get all the things. Clear? अभी next question है find all customer who have account but no loan at the bank. What you'll have to change here is in spite of union you are going to intersect. Please try union intersection. Intersection is not working with MySQL. Union check करके देखो. And in last lecture we have seen full outer join. So full outer join MySQL पे work नहीं करता. We'll see in Oracle. ठीक है? Someone have asked me this doubt. I think Siddhi have asked me this doubt. Have you tried for full outer join? Yes, you got with this union and intersection part. How it will be going to work? Now last query we'll see. Find average amount balance at each branch. Average account balance at each branch. What will be the query for this? Yes. Who will tell me the answer of this query? Omkar? Omkar Patil. Can you tell me the answer of this query? Find the average account balance at each branch. So we have to take branch का group करके then you have to calculate average. So इधर आपको group by clause use करना पड़ेगा. So ऐसे कौन सा टेबल है जहाँ पे आपको अकाउंट का बैलेंस मिल जाएगा एंड ब्रांच नेम भी मिल जाएगा? सो विच टेबल यू विल कंसिडर जहाँ पे ब्रांच नेम है और बैलेंस है? ठीक है, आपको फर्स्ट ही टेबल लेना है अकाउंट वाला, उसमें ब्रांच नेम भी है और उसका बैलेंस भी है. आपका क्वेरी क्या आएगा? अकाउंट वन. हाँ, लेकिन कैसी क्वेरी लिखोगे? सिलेक्ट एवरेज फ्रॉम अकाउंट ग्रुप बाय ब्रांच नेम. Yes, it's correct, Prasad. Prasad, you have written correct query. Select average balance from account. सिर्फ है ना कॉलम्स नेम चेक करो, जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन में कॉलम नेम दिया है यू हैव टू राइट द सेम कॉलम नेम, यू कुड नॉट मेक इट डिफरेंट कॉलम नेम. क्लियर? ग्रुप बाय ब्रांच नेम, इट्स करेक्ट. Yes, I'll share the query of this PDF file, and you have to solve this query and you have to submit to me. Clear? When you are going to submit on Monday? We'll stop now. Okay? That's it for today's lecture from my side. Anything from your side? Anyone want to ask anything?